My name is Michael Carney, Senior Engineer in the Arc Welding and Processes Group here at EWI. My topic is high efficiency gas shielded arc welding. Onboard ships and out in expeditory, things break. How do we, fix a component or make a component from scratch? So we kind of had to look at three different topics or areas, one of which was an encapsulated cup that kind of went around our welding arc to keep, the atmosphere controlled locally. So there was development done on that. Secondary to that, we needed to develop a waveform. We started initially with CV. It has its pros and cons. One of the cons is it adds, more heat input into the component. So we wanted to try to see if we could do a pulsed waveform, which typically isn't done with that type of wire, but we wanted to go ahead and work through that problem. And then lastly, we needed to develop consumables or work with consumable, folks to develop something. And in this case, we worked with ESOP. So you're out in the fields, you're, driving along in a Humvee and you break, let's say a link. Currently there's not really a way to replace that out in the field unless you happen to have a spare part. So what this solution does is allow us to kind of print or using ArcTED to replace that link component. It may not be perfect, but it'll be enough for us to utilize that vehicle maybe for another month or two until we can get back to a real depot and get it replaced. You can reach out to myself, Logan McNeil, or Dr. Dennis Harwig at EWI.